actually impressive.
Well, it makes tier 2 feel like a little bit less of a difficulty spike, I suppose.
I think I might have an easier time with rolling guard than some of these avoidances now.
I don't know about that one.
No.
It's all pattern. Rolling goes just all patterns.
Little does not know.
Little does not know. Try some of these new mini games that I've been held on.
Mini games?
Little does not know that
mini games in how you know.
Rodinger got so much more buffed and now it's harder.
It did get changed a decent amount.
Oh god.
Oh, Murzik, you know, I can give you a little you know, something that might be cool for you. I'm going to give you my first clear video of Rodinger of the original version.
Yo!
Time for the second avoidance.
I feel like my second favorite avoidance is the blue one.
Is it?
Blue one's good.
And then green. And after that power attack. And after that the high avoidance.
Mercy doesn't like Cursed because Cursed is boring. From what I'm understanding here.
Alright, let's play this one.
And after that this long yellow.
Don't shoot me.
Because it looks really nice. And after that
Roll and race.
Polish song.
This is the avoidance with the song. This is the avoidance. Fuck.
I'm on Goldie. Pro ball.
Yo.
I already know this is the avoidance. I'm gonna like the least from tier 1.
Which one there?
It's the hardest.
Reve of Mirrors?
The one with the rock song.
I'm getting some of them in.
It's gonna be so boring.
Okay, it does a complete 180, I need to remember that this time. So see, it's gonna put me on the right, which is what I expected it to do last time.
I don't know if how much score I'm even getting.
Just hold the corner, I guess.
I figured out if you just click like as lightly as possible in the middle, your ball will always fall into a hole.
I literally have ad blocker off. Why is it still crying about it?
I don't know.
YouTube?
YouTube? Yes! It's crying about ad blocker even though ad blocker is literally not working.
Oh, I won apparently.
Yeah, because recently they wanna fuck us up really hard. That's why.
Oh shit, dumb. You're on with Elfie now.
Like they really wanna fuck us up recently.
They do.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Because
race horses, but we weren't looking at the horses.
Yeah, I think I saw right at the end that was like horse in the water.
YouTube just wants more money actually.
Okay, what about this one?
Issues with avoidance combat. It's too intensive for the weaker PCs. I did mention that. It could just be possible. It's a huge game as well.
It's required for this fan game at least a 2080.
2080! I'm running on a 970, hello?
So am I.
Fair enough. Let's go. Yeah, I was worried. Like 4 bullets that went off screen below me, I didn't know which one to look at. feel like I shouldn't be here. Well, it wasn't that bad. That was quite nice, actually. I got so lucky, holy shit. Oh! 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 Jump!
I'm gonna. Oh wait, you beat it. Oh, GG.
Barely!
Oh, you did it? GG.
My gap at the end was so tiny! Screw!
Oh, mission, you died there, man.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I know which one you're talking about.
Yeah, like I made an NPC after Dom.
Is it related to what you're currently playing by any chance? Am I
Yeah.
thinking the right one? Yep.
It's related to Rolling Go? What?
Who do you think is like the fan, not like the opposite of the fan favorite, like the least favorite NPC? And like, what's your least favorite NPC from the ones you've spoken to?
Mine?
Yeah, like what's your least favorite?
the
Like
Krebs
the NPC
one?
that you want to shoot the most?
The FNAF, the £5 Krebs one?
Oh, okay, yeah, fair.
I wouldn't shoot him, but yeah, that's just a road
No,
man
no, no,
there.
I've been hearing most people want to shoot the 47 hits guy.
The what?
That's understandable, honestly.
I haven't got to that one yet.
Like, he flexes on you, that you literally can access him though. You don't have to be tier 1.
Can I?
He's standing like in the room with his tier 0 key card.
Oh, right, he's on the upper platform. Yeah, I haven't gone that far yet. That's tier,
You should talk to him.
that's tier 2 territory.
First thing I did, explore everywhere.
Yeah, some people just go straight to the window, some people explore. Yeah, I really should have kept that list that I said I am keeping. Because now I'm gonna have to like go back to all the times I got pinged or DM'd and like note down. Oh my god, I almost did it again. That was serious.
How am I alive? Why am I alive? I'm alive! Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm not listening to Max because he betrayed me, so I'm just gonna have to go feeling here and believe in the timing. Just go when it feels right. Like, I'll get it eventually, right? It has to happen. Oh, holy shit, don't do that! Okay, come on. Come on, they're gonna spin once, which is easy. Yes, and then jump through. Yeah, we fucking passed it! What the fuck are you doing? Is this meant to be happening? They're different! What is this? Okay, this is all blind now. This is not fun! What is it? Okay.
So at a certain point, all of the bullets are gonna start moving right and left.
Huh? No.
They're just going right and left. Fine.
Fuck!
The big ones are aimed. The big ones are aimed.
I'm so hot right now. That just looks fucking terrible. Ah! I'm alive!
Come on, Dom, clutch. You're getting a lot of these. Oh my god, you're getting a lot of like the like. Oh my god, you're getting so many of the lines and circles. Oh, you're not getting the pure RNG one.
My heart is racing. Ah!
Oh, oh my god, that
Please.
was so scary. Okay,
Come on.
get out of the circle.
Yay! Come on! What the fuck?
Holy
Nicely done.
It's that one fucking attack.
Oh my god. Bro,
GG. Oh my god, that was quick.
14 rather than 1 in 4,096. Yeah, well, it still took Frams like 13 hours to get it. Which most people get in like 1 or 2. Like Framza was like ridiculously over the like expected. usual time.
Oh, so in this case it wasn't good RNG, it was atrocious. Or it was from
Yeah.
it's extreme, one side of the extreme, and that was the
Yeah.
other side of the extreme.
Yeah, that's what I say. It never gets average odds, just one side extreme. Like, I so rarely actually clear phase 4 in practice, because it just, I don't know, they don't fucking let me.
Yeah, I see that from the founder code.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I found this video that explains it very simply as well.
Huh? Why am I hearing clapping? Hello? I haven't beaten it yet.
It's disease, it's disease.
No! Okay, I have to clear now. Like, I have to clear. I got that in the call. Okay, I have to clear now.
Where are you right now?
The attack which fucks me over more than it should. I'm probably dead here. I'm not, okay.
Jump?
Yeah, I'm mistiming it. Oh, I don't like where they're looking. Okay.
YouTube FNAF Cloud. Yeah, bro, Franz, you could like name it. I played FNAF 9 years after its release. I was completely blind. Here's
I
what
played
happened.
FNAF completely blind 9 years after release.
Nine-
Like,
nine
that
after
could be high.
Bro, that was like that's just like straight
Bro,
up.
that should be like fully edited with like banger edits and
Yeah.
like, funny stuff and stuff. I'm not editing it though. Like, don't even bother asking me.
That's
No
easy
thanks.
That's easy 1 million views.
What's next? I don't remember. Okay.
Chicken Dominic.
Going somewhere.
The super hexagon. Yeah, so
Okay, this one. Fine, fine.
Alright, let's go, Dominic.
That was truly free. I was about to die. Hey! Hey!
Holy shit.
Go away! Okay, this one's fine. Unless that happens!
If you stand in the middle, it's more clustered. Don't put that fucking
Okay, let's go away then. Oh my, they all went left.
Hello.
That was free.
Okay, well.
I don't like the look of that. I always jump, which isn't good. Right, some bullets come as well. Okay.
Okay.
What happens in finale?
They bounce. They bounce.
They bounce. Okay. There's a lot to look at here. They're slowing down.
Alright, good luck, Dom.
Is it just the burst now?
Yeah, it's just the thing that falls down.
The lag! What is going on?
Why is it lagging so much?
Woo! Yes!
Hey.
Let's go!
Let's go.
I get to play roll and go.
Still one clear, excellent. Oh, sorry, Kai.
Yes! I got the clapping!
Oh.
Right.
Damn. Let's go, Dom.